Well, hello. Kimm Brown here. We are going to do a second look with the new limited edition Magic Wand. It is a matte liquid eyeshadow, and yesterday I did two colors. I did the Dune, Sand Dune, and the Tree, so look for that. I will put that at the end of this so you can see the two different looks. But today I think we are going to go with the Sand Dune and the, what's it called, Warm Desert. And I think that will look really well with what I have on. So we're going to try that. I've already put on my Repair Volume Firm Lifting Serum. I always include that in my neck and in my décolleté because they show age there. I am going to go now with our eye renewal. It's down to the end, but it's not totally. I'm just going to let that soak in. Let me move my mirror a minute here in front of the camera. There we go. All right, two things we need to get out of there. So, our day cream moisturizer with SPF of 30. The great thing about these liquid eye colors I noticed yesterday, because I wore the two colors all day long, was they lasted very well. They lasted very nice. I did use my eye primer, which I still have some of that. So if you want a fabulous eye primer, just hit me down below in the DM. Okay, so foundation primer is a really important thing, whether you realize it or not. I watch many makeup artists, well, many. The best thing about this brand is that it helps with any fine lines. So when you put your foundation on, it just kind of smooths over and works really well. It just works really well. Got a little freckle on my ear. All right, you know what? There's two things I didn't get from downstairs. Really wanted to. One is my eyebrow pencil. This is my Biscotti. I'm just going over this here. So I'm going to have to get an eyebrow pencil. These just don't fill like they used to. Never realized how hard I worked to get them to work. Creamy ones. And my now I was thinking, I don't know how I want to wear this. Let's see what it looks like. I like this fluffy brush because it smooths it out very nicely. See that? It just kind of blends it really well. If I used, yesterday I tried two different brushes, this one and this one. This one's a little bit harder or stiffer. It's a little stiffer and it didn't give me my feathered look, and I like the feathered look. Okay, so that is that. We are going to go. I don't like that one at all. Don't like that at all. So let's go back with our sand. You know what color I think would go really well with that? Let's see what they did with a couple of theirs. They have one person using it with the Sand Dune and the liquid, so they use it as accent color. Good. What if we take a little bit of the, see, for me it's just a little, it needs a little gold for me because it's Warm Desert is kind of it's got a little pink in it along with the browns. What if we put just a little bit of gold status in it? Not a lot. And you know what other color I'm gonna try? Let's try the Burnedish Bronze. I love this color. Color looks really good with anything. Well, not anything. Doesn't do any justice for the like darks or charcoals. For me, I want it to be a little lighter. So I need to lighten it up a little bit. But I'm loving the liquid matte colors. I love how they go on. I love how they glide. They feel really good. So let's go a little bit with my liquid. I have a call in about 10 minutes, so. So I am not going to do much more with this lip liner. Is our Beige Nude, and it really kind of goes good with any. I'm going to try the, hold on, I believe it says Hushed. Let me check. Hushed Blush. I was going to put the neutral on, but that one's downstairs, I believe. So there's that. I'm trying to decide if I want to use black liner. Go with the black. Now, I don't have my contacts on, so I'm not going to do a winged because my eyes will probably water when I go see my customer. I was going to put my contacts in, but I'm going to go without them today. When I'm working on my computer, and I sit a little bit farther back than what, right? Normal? Hold on. Isn't that funny? I must not have used this for a while. Because when I traveled, I forgot to close it, and so there's a whole bunch in the tray. The translucent powder on me is one of my favorites. Okay, so let's do our eyeliner, or our mascaras. Yeah, see, I wanted to do the neutral lipstick because I don't want it to be too peachy orangey. And the Hush Blush, to me, is got a little bit more of a, I think the lipstick and the liner, or the liquid eye color, don't blend quite as well as I would like. But let's see. Gotta finish my breakfast. Hi, Rip. Please, my little. Let's put on a little bit more mascara. Go to the lash intensity. Intensify those lashes and give them something to speak about. So, ladies, if you like this look, the two colors I used today was the Sand Dune and the Desert, Warm Desert. I also finished it off with the Hushed Blush Hydrating Lipstick, and then I used the black liner. So these are 3 new limited edition products for 2024 fall, and that's my second look. I will think about a new one for tomorrow. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Definitely hit the bell down below so you get all notifications. And until next time, we'll grab our makeup bags. Have a fabulous day.